Hello everyone, today I will show you how to switch accounts on Instagram. And here's how it's done. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into at least two accounts. If you haven't added another account yet, tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Add Account. You can either log into an existing account or create a new one from here. Once you have added multiple accounts, switching is simple. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon. Tap your username at the top of the screen. A list of your added accounts will appear. Just tap the one you want to switch to, and Instagram will change it for you. You can also switch accounts by long pressing the profile icon in the bottom right corner. A pop up menu will show all your accounts. Just choose the one you want to use. And that is everything you need to know about how to switch accounts on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.